Hello and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the 7th grade concept of attributes of similarity. This is standard 7.5a in the great state of Texas, and we are using item number 13 off the 2019 released STAAR test. If you have not done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and then we will look at our answers together. So we have two triangles, ABC and DEF, and the only thing we know is that those two are similar. So we need to know what that word similar means, and similar means it's the same shape. So you cannot have similar shapes if one's a triangle, one's a rectangle. And we also have the same or congruent angles. So the angles can scale out. And so you notice that we've got a right angle right here. It's a right angle right here. If you were to get a protractor, you would see that that angle matches with that angle exactly. What's different is the sides. So the difference are the side lengths. So we can use that knowledge, that similarity, to actually build a proportion to find missing side lengths. Because if these two are related with similarity, then we could use a basic proportion. And this is how it works. So there's two different ways that you can set up proportions here. So let's take a look at this side right here, like DF. All right, so if I wanted to find DF, one way to do that is I could match that to the corresponding side on the other shape. So that one matches up with AC. So those two match up. So if I wanted to, then I could find, let's say, another side in that first triangle. So I need to kind of, if I had DF on the numerator on the top, I need to have DE in the numerator over here, because I had the big triangle on the numerator for both. Then I would find that matching AB over here. So that's one way that you can set up these proportions. Another way would be to just set up a proportion like DF, right? And then have it match up with a line or a side within the same shape. So you could do DF over DE, and then you just need to match up the same things on this side. We would have AC, because that matches up with DF, and then AB. So you notice that either way you do it, look what happens when you cross multiply. DF and AB, DF and AB, AC and DE, AC and DE. So you can have the proportion within the shape or across shapes. So that's going to help us. So we're looking for DE right here. So let's see which one makes the most sense. We've got actually every other side length with a number except for that one. So let's see, we've got 4 over 3. So 4 over 3, that's AB over BC. And so they want AB to match with DE. So this AB matches with DE, that's fine. And then the BC matches with 9, which is really EF. So they had the proportions within the shape. And yeah, AB definitely matches up with DE. And BC matches up with EF, so that one actually looks good. Let's verify to make sure the other ones don't work. So B, 5 over 15, so that's AC over DF, so they're going across shapes here, that's fine. But you've got DE over, let's see, 4, which is AB. And so we've got AC over DF, so we're going across shapes here. But you notice how you've got the smaller triangle in the numerator here, but the bigger triangle in the numerator here, that's why that doesn't work. So if we look at C, we've got 4AB over DE, so we're going from small to big. But then we're going 9, look at that, we're going, that's big. It's not going to work. And D also doesn't work, so our answer here is A.